Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find the button down here below. I see a lot of you are watching, but not a lot of you are subscribing, so hopefully we can make a change together. I know it's not just for me, but YouTube algorithm really needs to see that people are subscribing and engaging with my videos, so I hope that you can do your part. Thanks. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page. This is where I'm posting a walkthrough of this etude and many others. So I hope to see you there soon. Thank you for watching.